couple of days ago, I did a nice review on a fragrance, world fragrance, which was called Imperium. Nice fragrance, honestly, nice citrusy, summery fragrance. Did a nice review on it, nice opening. Very impressed with the fragrance. But today I want to review or show you another fragrance from Imperium by Fragrance World, and it's called Imperium Intense. Look at a nice bottle. You'll see it in the opening as well. Very nice bottle, but the juice inside, honestly, good, huh? It's good, not too bad. It's a nice masculine, intimate and vibrant fragrance. It's much more intense than the original. Straight away you get that nice leather amber, but that's not part of the top notes. The top note is bergamot, grapefruit, lime, rhubarb and lavender, and then very, very fruity, blackcurrant, orange blossom, apple and lily. But then your base notes is vetiver, cedar, leather and amber. Now with those four base notes, it's always nice to have a lot of base notes in your fragrance, because it means it's very long lasting, or it will last longer than normal. And this one will give you a nice 6 to 7 hours on skin. Tested it myself. All fragrances I test before I do a review on it, and very nice, very fresh fragrance. It's a nice daily fragrance. It can wear to work easily. It won't overpower anybody. Nobody will walk past you and say, oh, that's too much cologne. No, not at all. They will walk past you and say, that's a nice smell. And I mean, the spray is just beautiful. Now, of course, this is again a nice dupe for Elysium Pour Homme Intense by Roja Dove. It's a lovely, it's a beautiful smell. Look, it's intense, and it's called intense, but it's not overpowering and killing your nose with a heavy start or heavy opening in the fragrance. It's very soft and subtle, but as soon as it dries up, then your note starts getting stronger and more vibrant. And that's why I'm saying it's a nice, vibrant fragrance, which you will enjoy. Another great fragrance by Fragrance World. Proud of owning both of them, because those are two nice fragrances to have in your fragrance collection for the summer. I would enjoy it as well. I would say longevity and your projection and the smell and all that, I will give it a nice 6 out of 10. Brilliant.